How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to another video. I just want to start off by saying thank you so much for the support on the last one. I think we just hit 8,000 views, which is crazy, and like almost 700 likes. So give yourself a pat on the back because I appreciate it so much. So this video is going to be another sit down video where I think I'm going to provide a ton of value for you. If I do and you enjoy the video, all I ask is you drop a like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Without further ado, let's jump into it. So as you can probably see by the title of the video, there has never been a better time to be a trader. There's never been a better time to go all in with trading. And in this video, I'm going to explain some of my personal experiences, and then I'm also going to explain why this is truly the best time to be a trader. The opportunities that we have are truly endless, and we have to seize these opportunities while they are here. So let's rewind. Imagine right now how much more difficult it was to succeed at trading 20, 30 years ago. Like, just imagine not having access to the internet, not having access to Google or YouTube, having to learn from someone. I don't even want to begin to know how. I'm not going to pretend I know how. I have no idea how someone learned how to trade back in the day. I mean, Wolf of Wall Street's probably our best bet. But yeah, you get what I mean. It's very, very difficult. So nowadays we have access to so much information online, whether that be free, whether that be paid. We have Google where we can look up, information on trading, how to become a day trader, how to become a swing trader, all that stuff, and a million things pop up. We have YouTube where we can YouTube the basics. We can YouTube intermediate stuff, we can YouTube experience stuff, right? Once you learn the free stuff, then there's mentorships, right? You can learn from someone who is where you want to be, who can show you their experiences, talk about all the good, all the bad, and hopefully shortcut some of that just based on the lessons they've learned that they can pass down to you. I've done all of this. I've soaked in all the free information. I've paid hundreds and hundreds, probably thousands of dollars on mentorships, and it's gotten me to where I am today. I'm grateful for literally all of it. I truly don't think my timeline would have been as fast as it has been if I didn't have the opportunities that we have today. Like I talked about, I just can't imagine how difficult it would have been, for hedge fund people or just a regular guy to try and pick up trading and learn. I can only imagine it would take so much more effort. Maybe not effort, but take more time because you wouldn't have the resources that we do now. Let me take a minute to talk about one of the best new prop firms in the industry, Think Capital. Think Markets, a fully regulated broker, has entered the prop space. This is huge for us traders. With over 15 years of broker experience and regulation, this gives us another prop firm we can trust. We can trade right from TradingView, or you can use the classic MT5. With up to $300K in max allocation, and they also offer to US clients. I know this is amazing news to my American trader friends. You can even withdraw your profits right to your Think Markets broker account. If you use the code ARMTrading, you will get 15% off any challenge. Please make sure you sign up and create an account, then at checkout the code will work. The code is also case sensitive, so make sure you type it in exactly how it is shown. Let's get back to the video. There are also free resources such as babypips.com. I need to add that in there because that is one that I recommend. If maybe you're a new trader watching this video, it popped up on your Explore page and you're like, Mac, what's this Mac guy about? Babypips.com. You're going to learn all the basics there. I wouldn't recommend buying a single mentorship from anybody unless you've learned the basics, because then you're just honestly wasting your money. All the basics are there for free. So make sure you go check that out, babypips.com. I'll link that in the description of this video. It's a resource where, say people want to join my mentorship and they're beginner traders, I will send them there. This is also where, I learned some of the beginning stuff 5 years ago, right? So there's free courses on there. It's got all the terms. It'll teach you literally everything you need to know about forex trading from the very beginning. Not sure about other other markets like indices or anything like that, but from a forex trader background, that site is amazing. And then from there you can start YouTubing, intermediate stuff, etc., etc. You can watch these free videos on my technical channel. There's just so many avenues for you to go to. Okay. The next is backtesting. We have backtesting softwares right now. The best one I use is FX Replay, hands down, where we are able to practice our strategy over and over and over again. We're able to fail a million times until we start to find success. I say all the time, trading is about making mistakes, but making less and less and less as you get better. When I first started trading, I lost a ton of money at the beginning. I lost money I didn't want to lose. I messed up so many times, right? And all of those mess ups were with live capital, where with backtesting, you're able to use the TradingView charts, and then you're able to just execute the trades according to your strategy. Maybe you don't have a strategy yet and you're just trying to learn it, right? You're just trying to learn trading by yourself, or you have a mentor, or you have, someone on YouTube you're watching. You can go and practice these strategies, and you can get the reps in, right? You can practice executing the trades, analyzing the charts, taking the trades as if it's live, but it's not. So you're not risking capital there. You can build, your track record on there. You can build confidence on there. What I mean by track record is you can build the data. So you can build the data on there where you can see the best days of the week. You can see your best session. You can see the times of day. You can see there's a journal built in too, where you can screenshot and have tags on there as well. There's just endless things that we can do on this platform that will help us be a better trader. And, I wish I had access to this when I first started trading. One of my best friends is one of the owners and creators of FX Replay, and it's pretty damn cool. We say all the time, like, imagine what it would be like if we had this back when we started, because we've been trading 5, 6, 7 years. So it's an amazing opportunity. And if you're an advanced trader, I'm sure you already have heard of it. If you're a beginner trader, I suggest checking it out. You can use the code MACGRAY15, use the link in the description, and you will get a discount on that. You can try it out for free as well. I don't even want, this video is not even supposed to be about the plug, so you don't have to use it if you don't want to. You don't have to use my code if you don't want to, but still use that resource, and I promise you will find success. So we have the free resources, right? We have the backtesting softwares to get us better at trading. Then the third thing that we have is prop firms. Prop firms are literally the best opportunity we have, because as traders, the hardest thing is getting capital. The hardest thing is being undercapitalized, right? Where you can be the best trader in the world, but if you only have $100, $500, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to find success and build that up. I mean, obviously you can, but it's going to take time. Where if you're just a good trader, you can get funded from these prop firm companies, multiple 6 figures into the 7 figures, and make life-changing profits from these firms just because you're good at the skill set. And these firms were not around, when I was learning. When I started 5 years ago, I thought I had to build this personal account up to $1 million, and then that's how I was going to live. And that was completely, my dream. That was everything that I was working for, and even when I went full-time trading, I was just trading. I think I had like a $13,000 personal trading account where I was just trading and making more than I was at the bank. And then from social media, luckily I started I started an Instagram, because if not, I don't know if I would have found out about prop firms. But I found out about FTMO, and then I got funded with FTMO, and then I got funded with MFF, and then, I got introduced into the prop firm world, and now it's massive, right? It's a massive opportunity here. Currently going for 600K in funded challenges right now. And if you're new and you don't know what that means, it's prop firms give us tests, right? There's challenges that we have to pass, phase 1 or phase 2. You have to reach, anywhere from 8 to 10% on the phase 1, and then the phase 2 is a 5% target. And then from there, if you pass those phases, you will get access to these funds, right? And you will get access to that capital to then trade, and you will get like an 80% split or a 90% split. So it's an amazing opportunity for us that was not around, so many years ago. And I can't imagine, again, what it was like 20, 30 years ago as a trader. You probably had to either build the account up yourself or get investor money from your family members or friends, or just investors themselves. But it's an amazing opportunity. Literally everything has aligned for us to succeed as traders, right? And there's so much information out there for free, paid information. Like I said, so many different softwares. I can only imagine the softwares that are going to come up in the next couple of years. Like, it's probably just going to be amazing, and the opportunities are just honestly going to be endless. I'm just super grateful that we are in this space. I'm super grateful we have access to the information that we do. If you're watching this video, you're watching it from your laptop, from your phone, from your tablet, whatever, regardless is you have Wi-Fi if you're watching this video. There's so much free information that nothing's holding you back. Truly nothing's holding you back. You can just save up money to buy a challenge. There's 10K challenges, 15, 20, all the way up to 200K challenges for most firms. And it's just, I'll say it again, it's an amazing opportunity. What I suggest when you get these prop firm payouts is start funding a personal account as well, because I think it is extremely important to be diversified in that way. So we don't know how long these firms are going to be around. They could be around for 20, 30 years. They could be down, in a couple of years, who knows, right? But that personal account you have with a regulated broker is amazing, right? It's amazing, and it's a great opportunity. So what I suggest, and this is what I did, I used my money and my savings to buy funded accounts. And then from the funded accounts, I then started funding a personal account as well. And then using my other businesses to fund a personal account. So now I'm at the point where I can just trade my personal account and be completely fine. These prop firms are just a complete bonus for me. And it's an opportunity that, like I said, we didn't have before. And it's an opportunity that is here right now. And like many opportunities, we don't know how long that window is going to be there, right? We don't know how long that opportunity is going to be there to take advantage of it. You know, they say take the risk before you lose the chance. And that goes for anything. We just don't know how long these opportunities are going to be there in front of us. So we have to make sure that we are taking them and doing everything we can to get there. You know, I have put so much effort into my trading over the last 5 years, doing all of the things that I've talked about in my YouTube videos, you know, the sit down videos, the technical videos. I'm obsessed with this craft and learning this craft and growing as a trader, growing as a person, and just becoming the best Mac that I can be, you know, 1% better every single day. I say it all the time. I had one hater say, hey, you didn't even make that up. You're right. I didn't make it up. I got it from the Atomic Habits book. And I've said it ever since because it is a motto that I absolutely love. And I think being 1% better every single day isn't a lot. You know, it's these small incremental changes that yield big results over time. And it's the best time to do trading right now. It truly is. One thing I wanted to add as well is there are different strategies and different ways of trading based on your lifestyle. You know, you can day trade, you can swing trade. I swing trade now and I have all the time in the world during the day to day trade if I want, but I like being on the charts less and less. I like being able to go golf, hang out with friends, work on my other businesses while I swing trade. Whereas, you know, you may have a 9 to 5 job and swing trading is the avenue for you. Or maybe you love day trading and you want to have your day done within the first couple hours of the day and move on with your day. That's cool too. And that's the thing with trading. There are styles based on the life that you want or styles based on the current circumstances that you're currently in right now in your life. And those can change with time. Those can change with experience. It's 100% up to you. And these prop firms and these opportunities, it doesn't matter if you're a swing trader or a day trader, you can choose whatever one you want to be and you are completely fine. You have, you know, an exit, right? You have a light at the end of that tunnel, right? And that's why I love trading so much. You put the time in, you put the couple of years into it, and you're going to find success with it. I promise. Just stick with it. And I hope these tips and tricks and these videos help you out. So I hope you enjoyed this little sit down video. I hope it provided value for you. If it did, please smash that like button, comment something you maybe want me to talk about in another video coming soon, and subscribe if you're new. What do I say at the end of every single video, guys? Let's be 1% better every single day. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.